Hello, today we will explain how to register for courses as an international student, general requirements, and course modes. International students are required to register for at least 12 credit hours per semester. Only one online course can count toward your 12 credit minimum each semester. Graduate students have different requirements. If you register for credit hours above the minimum requirement, you may be able to enroll in other online courses. However, your total in-person credits must always be higher than your total online credits. Please pause to read the examples below. If this is your first semester at MSU Denver, you must meet with your academic advisor before registering for classes. If you are a current student, you can meet an academic advisor or view your degree progress report if you are unsure of which courses to register for. These are the course modes that currently count towards your in-person credit requirements. Please pause to read. These are the course modes that currently count toward online credits. Please pause to read. For detailed explanations on the types of course modes, please visit the registrar's webpage. To register for classes, your first step is to visit the Student Hub at msudenver.edu/studenthub. Next, scroll down to Web Services and click Register for Classes. Once you have entered the registration portal, click Add/Drop/Withdraw Classes. Within the registration portal, you can also check your registration eligibility, plan ahead, browse classes, and view registration information. Select the term that you are registering for and continue. Enter the subject, course number, and the preferred delivery method, and click Search. Classes fill up quickly, so ensure that you register as soon as possible. Select an available course that fits your schedule or add yourself to a wait list. Click Add, then Submit. You have successfully registered for a course when it displays as registered in the course registration summary. As a reminder, you must meet these enrollment requirements to maintain your visa status. If you have any questions, please contact the ISS team. Thank you for watching.